volcano eruption is a volcanic activity that releases material from within the earth such as rock, smoke, lava, and dust. Volcanic eruptive activity can usually be predicted so that loss of life, property, and objects can be minimized. The process of a volcano eruption is caused by the overflow of material in the form of lava or small hot rock from the bowels of the earth, which then comes out through the drop or fan of the volcano, which is still active. As a result of the eruption that occurs from the mountain, there will be severe shaking that covers the areas around the mountain, and this is called a volcanic earthquake disaster. Not only that, the impact that occurs because the volcano erupts, namely the smoke that spreads and causes health problems for humans such as shortness of breath, skin disease, blurred vision. But we have positive impact. The positive impact that occurs is after the volcano erupts, the natural ecosystem can fertilize the soil. Okay, maybe that's all the explanation of volcano. That's the explanation regarding the volcanic eruption disaster. Thank you.